2006 Jeep Commander with a Hemi V8. Upper radiator hose replacement. First thing you do is remove this cover, which easily pops off, but it is locked in place by the engine oil filler cap. So you have to remove the engine oil filler cap before you are able to pop this up. And here is what holds it in place. There's pegs on the engine, so it lines up with these holes. And the filler cap is what actually holds it in, or locks it in. So remove this, put it aside. Then you have this. Here's your air filter, which hooks up to this air box. I believe it's called an air box, which hooks up to the cylinder manifold. This air box is held in place by one bolt, which is to the left, or well, it is removed. Holds it with one bolt. You also have a plug, electrical connector, that you have to remove first, which hooks up to this. Then, and all you have to do to remove this first is unhook the hose. Loosen up this hose, just one clamp, and loosen this clamp, and you should be able to wiggle it out after unbolting and after unplugging the electrical connector. Now, come over here, honey. Here you see the hose, which has collapsed, which has a hole, developed a hole right there. Probably caused it to collapse. From there, it's pretty much straightforward, where you unclamp these clamps and you're able to pull this out. Easy, once you have the air box and the cover removed.